Meet Sarah, a primary school teacher from Manchester. She saves diligently, but lately, her money isn't keeping up with rising costs. Like many of us, she's realized that just saving isn't enough anymore. Inflation is eating away at her savings, making her feel stuck. So, Sarah started searching for a smarter way, one where her money could work as hard as she does. Sarah's curiosity was sparked. She kept seeing stocks and shares ISA everywhere, and at first, it felt intimidating. Images of Wall Street traders came to mind, but she soon learned ISAs are for ordinary people, offering a simple, tax-free way to invest for the future. In this guide, we'll demystify stocks and shares ISAs so you can feel empowered to build a brighter financial future, just like Sarah. But a stocks and shares ISA is your tax-free investment pot, a special account where your money can grow free from tax. Instead of just saving, your money is put to work in the stock market with the potential for greater long-term rewards. You can start with as little as £25 a month, making investing accessible for everyone. Funds help spread your risk, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a simple way to build wealth and take control of your financial future. The single most powerful feature of a stocks and shares ISA is its tax-free status. It's like putting a tax-proof shield around your investments. Every penny of growth is yours to keep. Over the years, this tax-free compounding accelerates your journey to financial goals. With ISAs, you get simplicity, certainty, and a protected haven for your wealth. That's why experts recommend using your ISA allowance first. Stocks and shares. ISAs are open to UK residents aged 18 or over. Each tax year, you can invest up to £20,000. Use it or lose it. You can split this allowance between different ISA types, but only pay into one of each type per year. Even small contributions add up, so start early to make the most of this valuable tax-free opportunity. Cash ISAs are like regular savings accounts with a tax-free perk. Your money is safe and predictable, but growth is slow. Stocks and shares. ISAs invest your money, offering higher long-term returns and a real chance to beat inflation. For short-term goals, cash ISAs are great. But for building wealth over time, stocks and shares ISAs are the engine for growth. Regular savings accounts are where most of us start, easy, familiar, and perfect for day-to-day cash. But interest earned isn't tax-free, and with rising rates, it's easy to exceed your personal savings allowance. With a stocks and shares ISA, your returns are shielded from tax, letting your money grow faster for the long term. Finally, let's talk about another heavyweight in the world of long-term saving: the pension. A pension is, of course, a fantastic and essential tool for saving for your retirement. When you pay into a pension, you get very generous tax relief from the government up front. This is like an instant bonus on your contribution. For a basic rate taxpayer, every £80 you put in is topped up to £100 by the government. This is honestly an unbeatable head start for your money. Like an ISA, your money inside the pension grows free of income and capital gains tax. So, in many ways, pensions are incredibly powerful investment vehicles. However, there is a very important string attached to a pension. Your money is locked away until you reach a certain age, which is currently 55, but is set to rise to 57 in 2028. You simply cannot touch it before then, no matter what life throws at you. This is by design, to ensure the money is there for your retirement. A stocks and shares ISA, on the other hand, offers far more flexibility. While it is best used for long-term goals of 5 years or more, the money is not legally locked in. If you had a major life emergency and needed to access your funds, you could sell your investments and withdraw the cash. This flexibility makes the stocks and shares ISA a brilliant companion to a pension. Many people use a pension for their core retirement savings, benefiting from that brilliant upfront tax relief. Then they use a stocks and shares ISA for other long-term goals that might come before retirement. This could be saving for a child's university fees, planning a dream round-the-world trip in your 50s, or simply building a pot of accessible wealth to give you financial freedom and options in middle age. It's not a case of choosing one over the other. For many smart investors, the best strategy is to use both in harmony. Another key difference is how the money is treated when you take it out. Withdrawals from an ISA are completely tax-free, always. When you come to take money from your pension in retirement, only the first 25% is typically tax-free. The rest is taxed as income, just like a salary. So, while a pension gives you tax relief on the way in, an ISA gives you tax relief on the way out. Understanding this distinction is key to building a well-rounded financial plan. Choosing a stocks and shares ISA platform. Fees matter a lot. Even small differences can eat away at your returns over time. Look for platform fees, fund management charges, and trading fees. Some are flat, some are percentage-based. Always compare costs and pick the platform that fits your investment style and goals. Beyond the crucial aspect of fees, the next thing to consider is the range of investments offered by the platform. This is all about matching the platform's capabilities with your own investment goals and confidence level. Some platforms are geared towards beginners and offer a very simple, streamlined experience. They might only have a small selection of ready-made portfolios, perhaps labeled cautious, balanced, and adventurous. This is a fantastic option if you feel overwhelmed by choice and just want the experts to handle everything for you. It removes the stress of picking individual funds and ensures you get a diversified portfolio from day one. In contrast, other platforms are designed for more experienced or confident investors. These are often called fund supermarkets, and they offer a huge universe of choices. You can pick from thousands of different funds, investment trusts, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and even individual company shares from around the world. This gives you ultimate control and flexibility to build a completely bespoke portfolio that is perfectly aligned with your specific strategy. If you enjoy research and want to take a hands-on approach to managing your money, a platform with a wide range of investment options will be a much better fit for your needs. Another vital element to investigate is the level of customer support and the quality of the user experience. How easy is it to use the platform's website or mobile app? A well-designed, intuitive interface can make the whole process of managing your ICA much more enjoyable and less of a chore. Check if they offer helpful tools, research articles, or educational guides to support you on your investment journey. Good platforms want to empower their customers to make informed decisions. Also, consider how you can get in touch if something goes wrong. Do they offer phone support, a secure messaging system, or just a chatbot? This can be very important for your peace of mind. Ultimately, the best platform is a very personal choice. There isn't a single provider that is perfect for everyone. The ideal platform for a beginner who wants to invest £50 a month into a ready-made portfolio will be very different from the one for a seasoned investor with £100,000 who wants to actively trade US tech stocks. You need to be honest with yourself about your knowledge, your goals, and how much time you want to dedicate to managing your investments. Choosing a platform that aligns with your personal style will make you more likely to stick with your investment plan for the long term, which is the real key to success. Overwhelmed by all the ISA providers? Use online comparison tools. They filter platforms by your needs and show you fees at a glance. These sites offer unbiased reviews and real customer feedback, so you get the real story, not just marketing. Once you've picked a platform, opening an account is quick, usually under 15 minutes, all online. Have your national insurance number, address, and bank details ready. You'll answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, then you're set. Add money, and you're officially an investor. Log in anytime to track your investments and watch your money grow. Think investing is just for the wealthy? Not anymore. Today, you can start with as little as £1 and add £25 a month. No need to be a financial expert. Ready-made portfolios let you invest passively. Just pick your risk level and let the experts handle the rest. Investing isn't gambling. It's about long-term growth, not quick bets. And your ISA isn't locked away forever. You can access your money if you need to. Modern ISAs are flexible, accessible, and designed for everyone. Don't let myths hold you back. Investing is for you. Capital at risk means your investments can go up or down. You might get back less than you put in. That's the trade-off for higher growth potential versus cash savings. The key? Time. Markets are bumpy short-term, but tend to rise over years. Don't invest money you'll need soon. ISAs are for long-term goals. Diversification, spreading your money across many investments, reduces risk. Ready-made portfolios do this for you, so you're not betting on just one company. Embrace the ups and downs, stay patient, and let time work for you. Investing jargon can be confusing, but the basics are simple. Diversification means spreading your money across many companies and countries to lower risk. Funds pool money from lots of people and invest in a wide range of assets. Easy diversification. Tracker funds simply follow a market index, keeping fees low. Shares are ownership in companies. If they do well, your shares can grow in value. Dividends are company profits paid to shareholders, tax-free in your ISA. Bonds are loans to governments or companies, paying you interest and adding stability. Master these terms and you'll navigate any ISA platform with confidence. The most important step? Just start, even with a small amount. Set up a monthly direct debit, automate your investing, and forget about timing the market. This drip-feeding approach smooths out market ups and downs and builds your confidence. Start with what you can afford. Think of it as paying your future self first. As you get comfortable, you can increase your contributions. Consistency and time matter more than big sums or perfect timing. Open your ISA, set up a regular payment, and let compounding do the work. Your future self will thank you for taking that first step. To succeed long-term, remember these golden rules. Diversify your investments, don't panic during market downturns, and review your portfolio once a year. Diversification spreads risk and brings stability, while regular reviews keep you on track. Stick to this simple checklist for a smoother, more successful investment journey. You have the power to take control of your financial future. A Stocks and Shares ISA lets your investments grow tax-free, helping you beat inflation and build wealth over time. Start small, but start now. Consistency is key. Open your ISA, Invest regularly and let compounding work for you. The power is in your hands. It's your money, your future. Make it happen.